How do we determine fetal position? There's no doubt you're going to get one of these pictures and you'll have to pick what position the baby is in. And look, there's tons of ways people are taught to learn this. To be honest, for me, none of them stuck, so let me show you the easiest way I use to determine fetal position. The only tip to remember is to always look at the back of the baby's head. This is going to be your reference point for all questions we're going to ask. Let's use this one as an example. Fetal position has 3 letters. The first letter is either R or L for right or left. Ask yourself, is the back of the baby's head facing right or left? This one's pretty simple. The second letter is what presenting part is coming out first. Most common will be occiput, which you guessed it, is the back of the baby's head. There are other presenting parts like mentum, frontum, sacrum, but for testing we'll most likely see occiput. Last, the third letter is either A, P, or T. Ask yourself, is the back of the head facing the back of mom, posterior, the front of mom, anterior, or to the side of mom, transverse? Put the 3 letters together and it's that simple. Try this one on your own and leave the answers in the comments.